Everyone active app not working. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and let us get started. First and foremost, make sure that you are using the latest version of your Everyone active app. Head over to your Play Store and search for Everyone. You tap on Everyone active, and if it shows open, it means your application is already updated. If it shows update, tap on update and update your app. Now here, tap onto your settings. Scroll below until you see apps and search for Everyone active. Tap onto your app, and here under usage, you will see storage. Tap onto it and clear the data. Before doing so, make sure that you remember all your credentials, then tap on delete. Now come back and see if this fixes your Everyone app not working problem. If you are still facing that issue, long tap onto your app and tap on uninstall. Tap on OK, reinstall your application again, and this will definitely fix your problem. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.